An old track has returned after the France Olympics, or should we say the Paris Olympics. Now this track is back for the last Marvel Stanley Games. This Phantom Machine of the Qualifiers, the 1x1 race, 2 lanes, 2 marbles. We'll find out who will win it all after today. This is going to be a doozer of a event. Here's the standings. Moneyballs are in the lead. Can they keep it? That's the question on everyone's minds today. We gotta find out. Origin and Misty are the first 2 marbles. Misty Mystics and no Rangers. And we are Misty Mystics, so in front. But now they lose out. Oh, but they came back at the end. And they barely win it over Mr. Origin, I believe, who was racing for them. But now, 2 captains again, Trash and Flame. Flame's in front, and that's going to stick this time. Flame is moving on. Trash is out. That is not good. Now, Cricket or Trunk from Grasshoppers and 2 Trunks. Oh, Grasshoppers, best done. Can they catch back? No, they tried. But the 3 Trunks are advancing. The Grasshoppers trying to make it back. The last time they were in the main league was their own host season. Blazo and Zeb. Zeb's in front. Can Blazo make it back? No! Zeb will just hold on from Blazo, who was a newcomer to Blazers. It was going to be Blaze R, but Blazer got injured, so he wouldn't be making it. So Blazo made. Now we got Zap, and we got Sword from Night Fighters and Zappers. Night Fighters bad start, but oh, they came back at the end. Night Fighters are in. Zappers are out. Not good. At least for them. Taste. Coin. Taste is in front. Oh, Coin, way off the mark. This ain't even gonna be fair. What happened to Moneyballs? They just lost speed. Now we got Rose, the Captain Rose and Sentinel. Sentinel is leading, and it will continue to be Sentinel down across the line. Rose, they did not make it, but we still got event 4, which is going to be the final event, to catch back. 2 captains, now we've got 1 captain, that is Earth. Earth is in front. Wait, where did Faders go? Okay. Faders are not they're beginning their last, which is not good for them. And you see, Blazers again 9s, Rosehorns 10s, Rangers 11s, Zappers 12, Grasshoppers 13th, Moneyballs 14th, Trash Bags 15th, Faders dead last. But now, here we go. Sentinel and Sword will be up first. And Sentinel's in front. Oh, but Sentinel lost speed. Night Fighters will get in the top 4. The Night Fighters trying to make it into the main league. The Night Fighters, as you know, are from the Sunset Vids League. But now we've got Earth and Zeb. Zeb, oh, launch out of the gate, but Earths from Julian's Marble Zones also making it. That's 2 teams from different leagues making it. That's gonna feel bad. Flame and Misto. Flame, hugely, but now the tight battle, but Flame will get it. They are doing anything they can to make it this time. After having atrocious qualifiers last time. But then we got Trunk and Taste. And looks like Trunk's in front. But Taste will get it. They were able to hold off. And Trunk will get 7s. But now, semi-finals, we have Flame and Taste. You see them there? And Taste is in front. Can Flame hold on? No! It'll be Taste going to the final. Are we seeing teams? Well, nah. Top line. Getting the win. Sword and Earth's in front. Oh, what a close mark there was, but Earth's will versus catch up. So Night Fighters will have to fight for the bronze, I guess, from Flame. But Flame is going to do everything he can. But no! Flame captured that second bronze of the tournament. Night Fighters will just have to face with the 4th place in this heat. But now, who will get the gold? Taste or Earth? Taste is in front. Can Earth catch it back? Yes, they can! And 2 goals are on the mark for the Earths. And they get the gold. And Earths are here to play. 1 event to go. Who will win the season? And who will qualify for the season? We'll see you then.